guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Brittany. So in today's video I have another human hair headband wig for you guys. So this is the third one I've tried. I love the other two that I tried from a different company, and after this I do have like 2 or 3 more for you guys. So this video is brought to you by RPGSHOW. Shout out to them for sponsoring another video. So today I have another curly headband half wig, and you guys saw the unboxing, but I have washed it since then. Y'all saw in the unboxing this wig was looking dry, super dry, and they told me that before it got to me that it was gonna be dry, I guess because like it wasn't all the way dry when they sent it, and it just looked super dry. So I washed it and conditioned it, and them curls are popping. Now this color is like a cinnamon color, and my natural hair is not cinnamon, so that means I am going to probably have to wear this wig all the way on my hairline, or just a little bit behind my hairline. I'm gonna go ahead and put a wig cap on. If you see RPGSHOW in the title of the video, y'all should know they're gonna be more expensive. So yeah, so I got my wig cap on. This one is in 16 inches. Okay, I thought I had something longer than that, and I'm going to tell you guys the price. They call this chocolate brown, but to me this is more of a cinnamon color. Okay, so with all the specs that I have, this is $318, which is still expensive, but once you apply the coupon code, it's going to be probably in the $200 range. You just have to apply that code there. This essentially, again, with this wig and the other headband half wigs, these are half wigs. These are not full wigs. You don't have to fool with any lace. This is very lacy girl approved, and that is why I love them so much. I had a wig sale by the time this goes up last week, and a lot of the wigs that I sold were lace front wigs, because really and truly these headband wigs have changed my whole wig game up, because I can wear them to run errands, but I can wear them to actual things where I want to be more dressed up, and it fits the occasion, whether you're just going to run errands or to something that's a bit nicer. I wore the straight one to a gender reveal. I just feel like these are really good. Yeah, so I'm just gonna try it on and see what it looks like. And for people who suffer from hair loss, I know in my other videos I was wearing it behind my hairline, and I'm still probably gonna see what that looks like. But I'm gonna show you that you can just wear it all the way on your hairline, so you don't have to have any edges out. Or if you're somebody who just doesn't want to have to blend your hair with, you know, or have your edges out at all, you can have them covered. So it has a Velcro attachment, as you guys see, and you just snap it in the back. I don't have the combs applied because I just didn't want to use those, but we'll see how it looks. Hope you guys get a good look at that color. It's so pretty. Ooh, this looks so much better after I wash it. So if you buy one and it looks super dry, you need to condition it, because that made a lot of difference with this. This is pretty. 16 inches. I'm 6 feet tall, so this is what we got going on. I think this color is really pretty. So it does come with the black headband. Let me take some pictures first with this. Okay, so I took a picture. I know if your hair is this color, it's gonna look natural, but me having that headband right on my hairline with this color, it just, to me, it's like, it doesn't look super natural. So I personally gotta have my edges showing. So let me slick down my edges a bit. The She Is Bomb Edge Control. And this might work well, because sometimes when people have their hair dyed, their roots are still black, but the rest of their hair is colored. So this might work better, but for me, having it all on my hairline like that, I just don't prefer that. But if you want to do that, you can. It just wasn't working for me. So I'm putting the comb on the side. I don't really put the comb in the middle when I do these headband half wigs. The sides and the back comb, that's enough security for me. And as a reminder, if you're going to be using the combs and you're going to be using them every day, you need to be careful because combs can make your edges thin out. So either like take breaks in between or use alternatives like bobby pins, or you can try a wig grip to see if that'll keep it in place. But bobby pins for sure is a better alternative. So this curl pattern with this color is really, really pretty. It's such a soft curl pattern. It's very pretty. All right, I'm gonna try it on with some different headbands and see how it is. I do think with these headband half wigs, getting your actual hair color makes it look more natural. If you have black hair, I would go with black. If your hair is this color, go with this. Now, I feel like you can make it work because I've seen other people do that who have dark hair, but to me, it looks more natural. So I'm gonna try on some of the headbands they sent me. And with these headbands, I feel like if you're gonna do like ponytails and stuff, the thicker or the wider the headband, the better. Here's a half up, half down. I don't think you can see tracks or anything back there. I don't feel them. I do think that the hair texture feels really good after you condition it, and it's very beautiful. But the takeaway I got with this particular one is, if I'm gonna do a half wig, I personally would stick with wigs that are the color of my natural hair, because if I had this same texture in black and did this style or any style that I featured in this video, it's gonna look a lot more natural. So yeah. Or I wouldn't mind a curly wig like this in black predominantly with these highlights kind of sprinkled throughout. I think that will look more natural as well. But this is cute. It is on the expensive side. Of course, you can just buy a synthetic half wig because it's essentially the same thing. The only thing is, with human hair half wigs, they're gonna last a lot longer. If you wear the same synthetic half wig every single day for months straight, you're gonna have to replace it. But that's up to you. If that's what you wanna do, then do that, because I used to do that as well. But I'm just sharing with you guys, this is available if you want a human hair headband half wig with some color. RPGSHOW has it for you. Besides the dryness, after I conditioned it was fine. I don't have like a ton of shedding or anything. So if you are interested in this wig, I'll have a link to where you can purchase it in the description box. Shout out to RPGSHOW for sponsoring another video, and shout out to you guys for tuning in. show me some love down below, comment down below, make sure you are subscribed before you leave, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.